Is that it? Is it finished?
What is
Let's
it?
see. Show it to the. Show it this way.
That's
Pretty awesome.
cool.
What's that? What is that thing on the back of it? What's that tall thing? The big tall gray.
Antenna
Oh,
for the walkie-talkie.
Oh, and then what about on the side? The black on the side.
Trainer
Uh-huh. No, the
for the air come out.
trainer for the air to come out. And this part here. This.
What is the hacks?
A hex. What's a hex for? What do you need a hex for?
For this is okay.
But what's a hex for? I'll turn it
To
off.
break the wall for treasures.
Oh, to break walls for treasures. What's your little? Was this you? This man right here?
It's driving.
Oh. Can I see the back of it? Let me see the back. Tell me what's on the bottom here.
The bottom, that's the sirens.
The sirens with the blue and the gray? With the lights?
Yeah. Maybe those are not sounds. Maybe those lights.
Oh, okay.
These are sounds in the top.
Is that why they are orange? What about the construction stripes?
I got 3 instructions. 2 coats. 1 sound at the top.
That's pretty cool, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.